So we are live at Mastercard, and it is September 11th, 2018, and I have 25 students from Woodland Elementary School, Hannerhan Elementary School, from the Janney School District, and we're at the headquarters of technology for Mastercard. Take a look at what 21st century learning looks like today. My students are learning from real computer technicians and becoming coders.
The shortest first and the longest at the end. So it's like you're going to come down this way, and you come down this way. The tallest person would be the last person at the end. Alright, so we're going to start it again. What's your name and favorite color?
I'm so proud of our students, who are the first elementary group of students to be at the Mastercard Technology headquarters located in Weldon Springs, Missouri. They're here learning by coders, programmers, and managers. This group is doing an algorithm so they can understand what computer algorithms are all about.
Yes. And that is an example of analyzing your information. You just analyze away to gather all the data. So he just said put all the short pieces together like a rubber glue. So let's do that. So whoever likes the color blue, get all together in one group. Yeah, blues can come here. And then everyone else can go over here. So blue, raise your hand. You like blue? Alright. You like blue? No? Okay. Alright. So you guys like blue, and you guys like other colors. So who's the tallest one? What was the name again? You got your name. You have an M, but that's good. What was your name again? Anita? Oh yeah, you were.
I'm going to go to the next group. This group is working on algorithms, 2 leaders.
If you don't have to leave with, all you have is money.
And then you
Just
can
go, right?
Yeah, but you got and then you how about your mic? Get your money. But you ain't know. But what if you have
But no, but so the difference is with money, you lose this, it can't get back to you, right? But if you have a check, the check is not physical.
Yeah, but
it's stored somewhere else in the bank, right?
Yeah, but some people don't care about the name. They just be like, give me that money. All of these make it safer. And so money gives you power.
This is what 21st century learning looks like. Let's go to the table to help to make this possible. Great partner.
Which message, if you're going to decode a message, which one do you think you would use? A symmetrical code or an asymmetrical code? And why is that? Very good, very good. So what that means is, right, if you have both sides of the code, you can decrypt that very, very quickly. But if you don't, right, and it's asymmetrical, that means it's even more difficult for someone to get that information. So, for example, on yours, do you think this is an asymmetrical, or do you think that was just a symmetrical? Symmetrical, very good. Because let's say if we wanted to decode technology is cool, if we had that code, right, we would be able to do that. So this is how we encrypt information and keep information safe. So this is the best way to do that. So think about your thumbprint, right? What's so special about your thumbprint? Yes. Exactly. It's unique, right? It's unique to you. So that's what we call biometrics, and that's one of the ways that we use to encrypt your information, because only you have the key, right, to take it away, right, or to get that message. Okay. What kind of questions do you guys have? You guys were awesome. Any questions? Yes.
So how you come out? Is this symmetrical or
Yes. So this is symmetrical because you have both sides of the key. So the way it would be asymmetrical is, for example, in your bank, if I say I'm going to give you a special code and only you have that code, no one else has that code but you, that's asymmetrical because only you have the way to break that code, right? And so that's a way to keep it safe, is because it's not like everybody has that special code. So it's kind of like a PIN number, right? Only you have that number, so only you can decode or break the message. Does that make sense? Awesome.
So I'm going to step away. So this has been a quick shot about how 21st Century Learning looks with one of our strong partners, Mastercard, who's partnered with us with the program that's been the first to start in Missouri. We were the first to pilot it in the state of Missouri. It's occurring in New York currently on the East Coast, and we are being the first to pilot it in the Midwest, with the hopes to have tons of young students of color to become coders and learn coding from the professionals and experts during the school day and actually get their hands busy and engaged on doing those practices. This is Dr. McCoy signing off. Just wanted to show you a little bit of our morning with our marvelous scholars and partners. Thank you for supporting Jennings. Thank you guys for being an awesome community. We appreciate you. Back to class.